What is kinetic energy? Energy in an object in motion? Nailed it. Flashcards are one of those simple tools we sometimes forget about, but they're amazing at helping students retain and synthesize new information. Today we'll show you how to personalize flashcards and make them fun for students with Canva. Hey everyone, my name is Charlotte, and before becoming a design educator here at Canva, I was a classroom teacher for many years. I've always been a big fan of using the humble flashcard as a fun and effective way to help my students learn. Before we jump into it, did you know that as an educator, you can get Canva for Education for free? And your students can too. So if you haven't already, sign up for a Canva for Education account to access the features we're about to show you, or scan the QR code, or head to the link in the description to find out more. First, we'll find some flashcard templates. These will improve students' active recall and help create lasting connections to new learning material. I want to create some flashcards to help master new technical language. I'll search for flashcards. I'm going to apply this science filter to help me find a good starting point. Amazing. Straight away, I can see that lots of these will be perfect for visual learners that benefit from an image to trigger their memory. I like this template, parts for plant. Let's open it up. I have some ideas on how we can customize these to turn them into hands-on learning games, which will be really great revision for students. Okay, I can see that these flashcards have got images and words based on the different parts of a plant. I want to build on this so that we can create cards that can be used in partner games to help them create lasting connections to this new science material. So let's duplicate this page here so we can create more that are exactly the same size. Let's delete the elements we don't need. And now let's add some text boxes. I'm going to copy and paste one that is already here so I can match the formatting perfectly. I'm going to add the definition of each of these scientific words to make these flashcards more meaningful than just a word and an image. I can also see a spare card here. Let's search for an element we can add for the word seed. Here we go, this one's perfect. Let's add, resize, great. Okay, these are ready to go. Let's select share and then download these to my device, where I can print the flashcards double-sided. Here they are. They're ready to use. Students are going to have a blast learning these new terms and having some fun with hands-on activities. I can see students using these flashcards for games like pairs, guess the word, or even a whole class relay game, where they have to work as a team to match words to their definitions. Students will be learning the new technical language and their meanings without even knowing. Have you ever thought of turning printed flashcards into something interactive your students can use to learn new information? Well, I have. And one way we can do this is by adding QR codes. Let's explore how. First, let's find a template. This will work perfectly. Our student project is about different habitats, so I'm going to make some changes to turn this into a useful resource for them. Let's remove elements we don't need, and we can edit this text to match our activity like this. You can check to see if it is centered by using these guidelines. I want my flashcards to look amazing, so I'm going to insert some frames for my images. Here we go. Then I can copy and paste into each card. I can search for graphics or photos to assist visual learners and make these flashcards more accessible. Using the Apps tab here, I can easily generate a QR code. All I need to do is find a website I want students to visit and learn from, like this one here. I simply paste it here and a QR code appears. If you want to take it even further, you can customize it here. However, I might just keep mine simple today. Click to insert and place it on the flashcard it matches. Easy peasy. You can link to videos, audio clips, anything with a URL. You can design them to match how your students learn. Now our resource flashcards are ready to go. You can share a digital version with students here by creating a view-only link, or you can download and print. Here they are. I imagine these being part of a workstation or even a wall display, where students can come and scan them to learn more information. There are endless ways you can use these in your teaching. It also means you are scaffolding your students' research and guiding them to sites that are reliable, safe, and valuable to their learning. There we have it. 2 ways you can use flashcards to improve memory and facilitate new learning. How simple was that? Using Canva templates reduces creation time so you can customize and create something that is perfect for your students. Why not give it a go? Well, that wraps up our tutorial for today. Before you leave, make sure you check out our Back to School website to help you get ready for the new school year. We also love seeing all your creative designs, so make sure you tag us on social media at Canva or use the hashtags CanvaEDU and CanvaLove so we can share in the joy of your flashcard creations. See you next time.